Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring and understanding the problem. Run a monitoring tool and record idle and load temps so you have a baseline. Next, power down and remove dust, fans, heatsink, and PCIe contacts, because even light dust raises temps significantly. Once done, verify case airflow direction, front intake and rear or top exhaust. Make sure cables and drives do not block the path. Also update your GPU driver and firmware so software behavior won't mask hardware issues. You now reduce heat at the source by tuning fans and power. First, set a responsive fan curve. Ramp to 60–70% around 70 degrees to keep temps controlled without constant noise. Then lower the GPU power limit by 5 to 15%. This cuts heat and often preserves performance. Once comfortable, perform a mild undervolt in small steps and stress test after each change. This lowers voltage while keeping clocks and explains why temperatures drop without sacrificing much FPS. Make sure to log changes. You finish by addressing persistent thermal transfer and system cooling. If temps stay high, remove the GPU cooler and replace thermal paste and any degraded thermal pads, because old compound and pads often cause elevated junction temps. Meanwhile, add or upgrade case fans for better intake and exhaust, or evaluate AIO or full water block options for serious reductions. If you encounter crashes or artifacts, immediately revert undervolt and fan changes back to stock. Then reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.